Volcanoes have always fascinated humanity. They are majestic yet terrifying forces of nature. But what if a simple act, like throwing a rock, could awaken one of these giants from its slumber? As we explore this idea, we delve into the science of what truly activates a volcano. To understand volcanic activity, we must first look at what a volcano is. It's a rupture in the Earth's crust where molten lava, ash, and gases escape. But what truly causes these eruptions? It's not something as simple as tossing a rock. It involves the buildup of pressure beneath the surface, often taking years, if not centuries, to accumulate. Many myths suggest that small actions can trigger massive eruptions. In reality, human interaction has little effect on the geological processes beneath our feet. The energy required to activate a volcano is immense, far beyond what a simple rock could contribute. Therefore, while the thought is intriguing, it remains purely speculative. In conclusion, the relationship between humans and volcanoes is complex. While our curiosity may lead us to ponder the possibility of activating a volcano with a simple gesture, the reality is steeped in science and nature's own powerful forces. We are merely observers in this grand spectacle, reminding us of our place within the Earth's intricate systems.